Happy Tuesday, Castle family. It's Katrina and Amanda with this week's Castle Communication. Coast to Coast Soccer will be on campus again every day this week. Please remind your students that they will be here, and please reflect to see if the program's making a difference with absences, tardiness, or whatever behavior issues you are having with the students that are participating.
And then Cabinet is on campus visiting your classrooms today. They'll walk through our core classrooms, our labs, and collaboration and give us feedback on instruction. We're very proud of all the things we have at Castle and all the wonderful teaching that you guys are doing.
All right, we are going to do our first round of internal postings this week. We will have those posted in the lounge and in the office. Once they're posted, you have 48 hours to put in a transfer form to move to a different grade level. So keep your eyes peeled for that information to come.
And then our ELA interim assessment begins next week. We are using the turnaround protocol that the district and administration developed to use for all grade levels. We'll send that out in the body of the email with the screencast. Please see Amanda or I with questions.
Ivan Alba is here next week. He will be working with the coaches on the various strategies that we are trying to implement with math. We are going to ask each teacher to sign up for a math walkthrough time. At the time you sign up, Ivan and Bree and Jill will come into your classrooms and Ivan will help the coaches coach in math.
All right, and then our next Family STEAM night is coming up. It will be March 14th, Pi Day, from 5 to 6:30 p.m. We need all grade levels to have 2 activities and coordinate with your STEAM specialist that you're assigned to for co-teaching. This is voluntary, though we really encourage your participation. We will time card you this time. We have $100 per grade level that we can reimburse you for supplies. And as an added bonus, our board member, JP Lake, is going to buy pie for the parents and students.
Let us know by Friday if you'd like to participate in the STEAM night. All right, just a quick reminder, this Wednesday is our State of the School staff meeting. Please have your schedules ready to be there from 2:15 to 3:50. At the staff meeting, we are going to review our school vision and purpose. We're going to reflect on our progress towards our school priorities, and then we will briefly go over next steps for the 90-day plan.
And then we have a couple of reflection activities we'll want you to do in advance. Look in the body of the email for that information. Board presentation, save the date. That will be next Tuesday, February 27th at 7 p.m. Amanda and I will report last year's data and describe our focus and goals for the current year. We would love to have you attend and show your support. Please add this to your calendar if you're available.
All right, on Wednesday, we will have ABA training for our special ed staff, so make sure that you have it in your schedule to attend.
And then our district-wide disaster drill is next Wednesday, February 28th. We will meet with the leads of the different teams like search and rescue and first aid, so look for that email. And then we will go over just basic logistics at our staff meeting Wednesday. Plan to be outside for an hour.
And then next Friday is our March Chatta Latte with the principals at 8:30 a.m. If you do remind our dojo with your parents, please feel free to send them an invite to meet with Katrina and me over coffee.
All right, shout outs. Shannon Hilton did a great job last week. Thank you for all of your work, Shannon.
Amanda Goodwin and Elizabeth for their support with extended day, especially with Katrina and I being at so many meetings last week.
And then thank you, Carolina, Julie, Katie, Stephanie, and then I believe we had some first grade teachers as well for dividing up students while we were short on subs Thursday. Thank you for supporting our students.
And Jennifer Neal and Anna Maria for leading their classes while we were short on substitutes on Friday. We really appreciate you staying in your classrooms with your students.
And then Carolina, Kami, Alyssa, Ashley, Grant, Jamie, Bree, and Jill for their insight during our leadership release day on Friday. We had a lot of great discussion.
And then to Becky for her accompaniment during KCSOS's It's a Grand Night for Music. Thank you for representing Castle.
And then thanks to Jennifer Rodriguez and Dawn for organizing Dr. Seuss Week. All right, everybody, that's it. Thanks for listening. Remember our 3 school priorities: number 1, math; number 2, collaboration; and number 3, positive school culture. See you next week.